Okay, today we're talking about how to jump start a RAM Promaster 3500 van. What you do is you take your cables, connect it up to the other car, black on black, red on red on the battery of the other car, and then on your Promaster, you open the little hood, and on the driver's side, right here by your fuse box, there is a big tab for the positive connection that runs from here back to the battery. And then on the firewall there's a ground right up front, and this little sticker says for jump starting only, so I don't think they want you to charge the battery from here, but this is how you can access and jump start a RAM Promaster 3500 van. Alright, thanks for watching. Like, share, subscribe.